Hi, this is Travis with another review for ILoveItSpicy.com. Today I'm going to be trying 3 different jalapeno bites from Little Bird. They're chocolate covered jalapenos, so they are probably just for snacking on. The first one I'm going to try is a dark chocolate fire bites. They're salted, so not sure what to expect from it. I can tell you to start out, before I get even trying this, I'm not a big fan of the dark chocolate, so I'll try to keep that in mind. They look like they're small pieces of the peppers, so I'll bite into it and give an idea of what's inside of it. It bit off almost like there was a dried jalapeno inside of it, because I can get a little bit of tingle from the jalapeno. I generally eat stuff hotter than this, so I don't get much bite out of it. I get the salt, which I really don't care to have with chocolate. This dark chocolate I like better than some, but really this isn't really my type of snack. So I'll give this about 2.5 stars, because I know a lot of people like lesser bite of the jalapeno, where I'm more at the hotter pepper levels. I have 2 more to try. I'm going to give a few minutes in between them so I get the flavor of the one out of my mouth first. So there'll be 3 separate videos for this. Hi, I'm back for part 2. The second of the Little Bird chocolates I'm going to try is the milk chocolate and sea salt. Of all the different chocolates, milk chocolate's my favorite. I don't know about the salt on it. It took quite a while to get the salt out of my mouth from the dark chocolate one. So I'll give this one a try and see how it goes. This one looks almost like a little puck. Get a lot of salt in this. I get very little of the chocolate. The salt seems to be overpowering to me. You get what I consider to be a very light tingle from the jalapeno in this. I personally think these first 2 would have been better and without the salt in them. The salt just seems to overpower the chocolate and the jalapeno in it. I can't really taste the jalapeno in these. I get a little bit of the bite of the jalapeno, but nothing more than that. The salt just seems to be overpowering to me. So the milk chocolate one, I'd give about 2 flaming hearts also. Not really a big fan of it. Hi, I'm back with the last of the 3 chocolates. This one is a creamy white chocolate. It doesn't have the salt in it. The other 2 The salt was really too pronounced for my liking. So I'm hoping this one's a lot better overall taste. Like the others, it looks like there's probably a dried jalapeno in it. So I'll give this a try. With this one you can really taste the white chocolate. Get a little bit of taste of the jalapeno in it. If I was going to try any or eat any of the three of them, I would choose this one. Just because I'm not a fan of the salt in the others. But if you like white chocolate and a little bit heat at all, I'd recommend the white chocolate one. The taste is better overall. If I were making them, I may try leaving out the salt on the others. But as they are, I wouldn't eat them. I would give the white chocolate one a little step up to 3 flaming hearts. It had a decent chocolate flavor. It had what I consider the slight bite from the jalapeno. The jalapenos in all of these are kind of chewy. Almost like they were air dried. I really don't know how to get them chewy, but that's what they were. One other thing from Little Bird, it was a jalapeno, I'll call it a sauce. They asked me to try it off camera and give my opinion on it. The taste of it reminded me quite a bit of a jalapeno jelly. You get the jalapeno flavor, not a whole lot of the jalapeno kick, and in my opinion the syrup was just really too sweet. Personally, I wouldn't use it on anything. I did have a few co-workers try this. They suggested using it on ribs. Some put it on cornbread. So that would be some ideas to use for it. But my opinion on it is it's just way too sweet. So if you like sweet with a little bit of heat, you might try their syrup. That's it for me today. This is Travis signing out for I Love It Spicy. I decided to add another section to this a little bit. I took the remaining chocolates left from the test to work with me today. Gave it to 6 different co-workers to get other opinions on it. 5 out of 6 people said that the dark chocolate and the milk chocolate were mostly too salty. One person enjoyed the dark with the salt. Everyone except the one was in agreement that the white chocolate was the best without the sea salt added to it. Some of the people liked things really hot. Some of them, the jalapeno, they considered hot. But overall, I think the white chocolate is the best out of all of them as a consensus. And overall, The salt with the other two just needs to be greatly lessened.